How to add WhatsApp chat to Squarespace. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add WhatsApp chat to Squarespace. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Squarespace, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Squarespace, it is a website building and hosting platform that allows individuals, businesses, and organizations to create professional websites without requiring advanced coding skills. It also provides an all-in-one solution that includes website templates, domain registration, hosting e-commerce tools, and built-in marketing features. And Squarespace is also known for its visually appealing and customizable templates that can help users design websites for blogs, portfolios, online stores, and business pages. So now by clicking the Get Started or the link in the description below, you can start creating your own account, and from here you can simply click the Edit Site button upon choosing your own website. Once done, we're going to use this platform called Helpsite, in which it is a software company that provides a customizable website widget. So just go to the widget section. All you need to do is simply choose the right widget, which is the WhatsApp chat. By simply clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to simply fill out some of the required information, and that also includes upon choosing the right template for you. By clicking Create Widget for Free button, the next thing that you need to do in here or below, it will show you under Edit Widget button to select the template to start with. If here a general kind, message field, the white theme, light theme, dark mode, and many more. All you need to do is simply select here your preferred kind of template. So in those options, let's say I'm going to choose this one, which is the general, and click the button below. After that, it will show you on the left side panel in here. You can start connecting or entering here the phone number that the customer will be directed to contact. And after that, we can proceed by navigating here the content, and that includes to choose the bubble icon in here, or entering here the context. In here, I'm going to enter message here, and below you can even choose the chat window, which is a picture in here. If you want to upload your own picture or from your computer files, you can do so. For example, I'm going to upload in here an images, or let's say a profile of Mr. Biz. Upon uploading it, you should be able to see here the result, or it will be reflected it directly on the template that as you can see in here. Moving on, you can even add the name of it if you want to, a caption, and many more. And for the welcome message also, you can also customize this part. You could also start by navigating to send a message or using Start Chat button. And therefore on this option, I'm going to choose the first one in here. And now we can now proceed by navigating the other options, such as also to include a page URL in the message. Now under the settings, from here you can even change some of the position of the bubble, embed bubble, in the middle, and many more. You could also choose to make the alignment in the left, center, or right, and choose the right vertical and horizontal offset of it. And aside from that, going back under the position section, from here it will show you under the settings and chat display that you could also customize a lot of things, including the pages or where to display the chat. Aside from those, you can even customize the visitors in here to allow all visitors to navigate those and the date and time in here, or any other details. Moving on, under these appearances, you could even customize the color palette of your widget. That includes the color of the messages icon, and here you can simply click any color palette that you prefer to go with, and upon selecting here the color, it will automatically show you the changes that is currently happening upon changing the color. And now let's say you're now done customizing every color that you prefer. All you need to do is simply click the button below that says Add to Website for Free. By clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to simply click the Publish button on the top right corner right here. Once done, just choose the right plan for you. I'm going to choose the free one in this part. Moving on this pop-up window, it will show you now the code. All you need to do is simply click Copy Code button, and after that, just go back to our Squarespace website where you can start adding the WhatsApp widget by clicking Edit Website in here, and then proceed by simply adding a block. And in here, for the block, I'm just going to choose here the block, which is the embed code or the code in here. By clicking on it, the next thing that we need to do is simply click this pencil icon or edit, Then delete all of this code and paste directly the code that we just copied from our website. After that, just close this one and you can start customizing the size of it, and it will show you automatically what it looks like upon applying it directly in here. We have now see this message here icon of WhatsApp. And now to see the preview of it, it will show us in here that it is now currently applied. By clicking this message here button, it will automatically show us this WhatsApp chat where the visitors can simply message us to ask a question or any concern. But overall, that is just basically how you can add a WhatsApp chat to Squarespace. Thank you.